Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Yes, this is another episode of the Daily Update. My name is Prof. K and I'm here with
Obi, the state developer.
Yes, Obi and
Mr. Bonto, the boy is okay.
He's always okay, as always. Yes, so the boys for the WhatsApp group, I'm say I am then. They are really dragging us in the comment section. I'm over the attempt.
They wanna neck wa Charlie.
So the youth, is it like pen or cry and I said then?
Nah, they don't want to hear it.
No crying any.
I think we did one episode, talking about the toy gun and all that, and the comment section, bro, the boss one of mine. A tempo with D, you know.
So, but what's that? Toy gun, no, make it fun.
Fun.
Oh, yeah.
Fun partner there.
Fan partner say yes, shall not then. Hey, hands up.
My nigga.
What I say? Hey, hands up. I will pay down house for not toy gun and as a fool.
Do we?
Oh, nah, me nibi.
Dina. Do better or change saying.
Mimi age in it. Mimi nibi.
But one it's okay for them.
Oh yes, I want age way be.
Yeah.
Now was I toy gun be na di pia bontia. Now because right now obi such fuska.
Yeah.
What I say obi any briska. Now Christmas we near you know obi preset over there. My Christmas now George ama on than the friends and I say bia the family now toy gun there.
What's he talk? As a original 15. You are telling me, say, you are trying to say,
yeah.
Omo yes and omo the omo piska.
Below me age, you know. Below me age, you know. Oh, be okay.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, below me age, you know. Oh, be okay. But me age be, and I heard that me age. Now say who used to toy gun be out. We knew that was supposed to watch it.
To put that toy gun okay for. It is a omo below age. No mo gara no to the papa why okay.
Oh, me name me about for there, but me to me they okay.
You see the videos. You see the videos where they go on.
Oh yeah,
and they okay.
Oh, for sure because me say pro be I think say okay, mommy. Wow. Because me say pro be so I pro be there.
Do you know the implication?
Noise pollution.
Very good.
About knockout goes to one.
Yes, causes
knockout is different. Knockout is really
it's against the law.
Knockout a hand more than sad no.
A handful more than a two no.
Baby.
But you know it's against the law.
Say you better knockout.
Yes. So you better to stand
no. But knockout they allow say beti mato.
The
same thing. But
no. It's against the law. See,
it's not against the law.
I think I watched one guy friend say now or issue some statement to be say laws na Ghana. If you are to abide the laws, one way
it's against the law.
Because you coming to sit here to talk about somebody crying, you pan bit me hold
yeah. No, so na to must say near omo akakra wo mo ho. Meba. So uniska law no emia okenchen. But kakra wo ho a law no ntimi emia wo sa.
Uniska no emia. So uniska.
What
is he saying?
No, if the law want to work, it will work no matter what.
No matter it's just right now law na you follow the say no. And law na rule yes say no. Emia ya uniska na dan omo mo ska.
There be. Oh, lawyer na papa.
Lawyer na papa say dey.
At who is catching Food and Drug Board Authority. To be informed uncle and win the case. Or lawyer papa bet me win the case.
It depends on the
judge not to want to be a dear meow. But a man yeah, say a man it me but me say me a good lawyer bet my case na a foolish case.
Yes.
I make me once
that's really true.
Make us a man in
Ghana.
In some way me no na ma me ko first question dem pass be see na dem ya tia fa ho biem.
Yet is yes the man back.
Scan them no.
What see they court.
Yeah.
Na say judge no rule you out. You say mra na anya adwuma ma o. They rule you out and farm but mra na ya adwuma. Mra Ghana o.
Me ka say mra ni Ghana na me kan want me dey na see o.
Mra Ghana.
See, obi me ka say mra ni ha. Ya, me ka say mra ni ha.
I just go for mra ni ha.
Yeah, man, tell me just emra wa ha, but emra ni mia omo a omo ni bi. Emia omo kenchen chan omo riska.
Okay, you will come back to that, yeah. So to the update of today, yes, yeah, toy Ghana the asema ba. I think right now, I mean, the Ghana police, I don't know, I better has signed pleadings, said they should issue some statements.
Sure.
And I say, and finally, the Ghana police, so walk us through the story.
Okay, so I'm reading from Sika Official's page. On Twitter, I was saying the Ghana Police Service has arrested 26 individuals for violating Section 207 of the Criminal Offence Act 1960 at 29. They were apprehended for firing, brandishing toy guns indiscriminately in public space. The suspects are currently in custody awaiting processing for prosecution in the law court as investigation continues to identify and apprehend other people.
Yes, so they have arrested 26 niggas.
Sure.
For this, I mean, toy gun friend is an fresh. When I was
It
saying,
isn't very
so over said, no, make a beast the question. Maybe say, I want to be straight with you.
Yeah.
Are you telling me, say, what the Ghana police is doing is not right? Like,
Oh, I don't talk that thing.
so what is your take on this?
Oh, just say, I'm not say, Yanchi or more. What's up? Mini can. What's it? But make sure, oh, Nana me make no. Minim, get me point in here.
Yes,
Make
we
it
get
no
you.
point, but
Oh, Jack.
Manning Chim.
Sir, this is no crowd. One of my mama who say no crowd that side. What I said, say me tea idea right now. Mr. Buntua. Because the man wo ho. Eye juma. But echi omo a omuni bi na emi omo chen omo omo obi. Sana me ka no.
Do better just say Ghana police and I don't know my bias or something.
Minim just can be back on dia.
Opasa o che say omo wo mu no omo nyina ni bi. Itina man mi
Some person or che. That is what you say right now.
Can be back on and I say MP back on and minister be back on dia mean to me nche. Omo ma cho right now.
MP ba and I say secretary. What why are you going to do that? Oh where dey?
Oh no.
Fresh.
So I go to be.
Oko to be. Say saying. As medical go by some watch them no dey the original. It be fun. Watch what the crow from boys they do.
I feel what me then I say.
And I'm sure say, what you are saying no. I say them no na dey.
What I talk no. What you know maybe what I talk you no get what I talk.
What are you saying?
Like now they say 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 o talk dey no kwa bonten. When you go shoot am for outside when capture you there, it be your own cup of tea. You
no, let's forget about the catch. Yɛmfa sɛ anka akyekye ne mba mu a ni ɔmo yɛ ne ɛyɛ
so I'm already told now outside
no
me support me just say make fan
what
is fun there is nothing fun about this
make you explain
oko I can't say oko I can't say more di bia your presence be on my for
those things
what I say
yes
yes.
Oh yeah, me ya den time ya to knockout no ya to knockout odom ya de call a pack so
yes
okay
eco flow honum
okay
what I say but say bia hold nam chrome say bia baby I no way chrome now the nam now point amount for there and make sense
that is what you are saying say
fan me make I say so who bia e cool so bet me dey agro but so the call outside akwa tiri ma me pani bi na so for so there some me show no I don't know.
See, you are really confusing the niggas for the WhatsApp group. Listen, I said that here canon. You say the thing it be fun, although it be fun.
Yeah, man.
But to the point, say Omashiana, I say Omu polluting noise and any man. That is what we are preaching against. Say, and yet, let's understand. Not say okay, empire and yet Nyomo and yet let's put a stop to that. Yanka say to Ramon.
Listen,
we are not saying they should. I mean, ban the guns. Toy gun they for arrest you or something.
Yes.
No,
don't
mamun group invent this agron because we are or MCC on pesade no.
Okay. Law na me kan no.
Yeah.
Unim dey breaching. Or say okay police for no report na o de buy na. Or say to breach of the peace contrary to the section. Na say adan emra na ye aman for assume do na wo how.
Assume
they do on me cause chance out too no. Ya fa go. Dede sa ko na yonkonya sa plastic chair no. No. Fire got sa omo pop no. I make no squad
make a visa one question.
So report your man come
make a visa one question. Nkonya na awoka no. What is the right position? Style be na office and common ton nkonya no.
Style na office common ton no. Omo stores na ho no ma e good and some of this information in university top. No be nam chroma is added no.
Do what you say about us omo ye campaign no mo dey aden na ma no so eno so e.
Me dan ka enye
enu nso nye
yeah me dan kenye so the cast be now chroma is added no kenye because ya ka say no a produce sound and also produce sound ni bi.
Do you understand the word campaign?
It's
like do you understand the word campaign what you are saying campaign here dey
campaign me the word campaign I say
no
but to me there
how you see
to me there yeah one-on-one class say no say me say me turn me put that am one-on-one say without making that noise yeah I think say I'm doing campaign.
What you are saying right now, you see there is upgrade in everything we do, yeah.
Okay.
First ni etwa movie no. Na eton cassette. Yeah, the good car mu chini ni ade. Now, I'm upgrading na be do a certain point where you go figure online and
then watch.
So can I? Until I'm busy, I say, what is the right position? Senka, omo I say omo ye nkunyo dede no. Omo nye ne den.
Me say.
Na me just say, okay say e dem. Okay say dem. Now the call radio ko announce say, oh, me o ha me location ni. Me turn no ma say ni ya. Nka no so you.
No bi a on timi pii nkota ade ne.
On link your app, nipa nbe so ade be. Nti what delivery service or.
Listen.
You know there's the cost in it become like
no, you're not getting
make it all like we are crashing.
What's customer you know on so baby nipa no bia no say ade ne e bia nipa ne ba ho abeto na so o ba abeto no 40 cedis ah now what dey ko nipa no na say nipa no okay so the man 50 cedis ah then trabaye okay
I'm coming. When you say information centers,
yes,
campaign, nkunya. Ade bi ewo area mu aye no. Obi ansi wo muntia e na mo da so ye de omo ye no. Se nka me meti area mu ha na bia nkunya abetwam ene. Abetwam na makosi wo mo kota.
They do ban, I mean, night clubs or some. I think this guy, your friend is a Koyu some third guy be like that. Or be a certain night club before Accra. I think omu di kan ye ma if it omu yes and roof and everything.
Yes.
So what we are saying right now, they say Ghanaians are complaining.
Yes.
That is it.
In the police for no.
Yes.
Per police for report no. I'm actually because of they didn't know. Yes. It don't pa amu share amu roof.
Me know dey yo. Police for that chiomo because of they didn't know more yenti.
Yes.
But amon chiomo because eto no ekoso ambia.
No. That they didn't harm.
Harm. But say sa nkonwa no fa sa information e yin top. Envanam town.
People are not complaining. Nobody is complaining, bro. Nobody is complaining.
Okay, it's bias no.
Why bias?
Bias no.
Because me say so pa nkonya for ma umbe twem neko si wo mo court say nkonya mu ye de gu asu they will stop put a stop to it.
What are you telling me?
It is there omo campaign na you know ye no obi an complaining
obi sound the essence
no listen bako sound
bako le problem
you
say
within 4-3 seconds we na dey to awie. I say,
what are you saying?
If you do support this thing, then I'm really disappointed in you. Like, let's be true.
Maybe talk this. Now, see, now me find other way say be like I'm make say be cause I am share those things now be am obi twa I don't know.
No, is it because I am share?
See, I me ba me try dey. Say no after say o ma chom won there. Then I'm okay. But say be am match ni panade o see. Say to papa no consider dey. Like also,
the first arrest way them do no. If somebody will go, I mean,
report
go and report. Yes. Yeah. And you know, we are using it on our platforms. I bet na I don't hear the do Ghana police or munye bibio. Now we Oh my God, say they should sit there and tell me, say, oh, I have grown to make them just forget about it.
Oh, yeah, I mean, when you say,
you know how we read Ghana. Listen, how we read Ghana be say, or say the BC.
How Ghana me say
how Bianca say me Ghana. I
pick you.
No, Nyansana wouldn't pick you in that. I lie.
In that.
Yes, I wouldn't have pick you
for that one.
Also, Robert now can say, Skeni baby and over Pia Koyas had any be. Nobody go do some. Ask medical get money where you go by. You room inside where you shoot.
Yeah, that one.
I see the crow from the guys so much here or filling station. And a papa, lose our need to be soldier.
Yeah, soldier.
The knockouts Yawa way we do it, you know. Look at how na almost 2 million man. Bronya brain can say
if you don't stop this thing, next will be knock out.
Yeah, to cost so fine. It creates like awareness say Christmas they come and all that. Anyway, I feel na about and yes, I be a sipping and feel na see ka say a jai. If that trend, that is what I'm telling you. I feel na about if it happened before where they no talk anything now, we move no make us say okay, mamunja ye chiche mo. Then that is the bias where. Bias now okay, then I go feel accept that bias and they say okay I'm bias answer. But this one I feel in the AC we should put a stop to it. Young rule December mumponi o. Na December then be see.
And you know one thing tuoni ni o knockout be say o hwe no video na knockout ke to ko soro enu ba hwe no video na
you too sure
you too sure
ni panim
knockout kosoro
knockout we don't see that for us guys
enye no nkitwa na ye kan
yo kesa kwa hon ma
akese na ye kan
akese ya to ko soro
ye to kwen
na me osno knockout na me chere mu say ye obi hon ma eso
no the knockout way they say
that video
that one dey I'm to kosoro
very good but I'm to run nipa ma eno na ye say ye kwasi
beside that transform across
no knockout platin sa to we know sa toy gun no
and you can say
knockout no there me knockout pra me pen
they should put a stop to it before say do knockout
very good
two na do say o enchana omo pump knockout ni ru
two is 10 cedis 60 Ghana
you raise it Ghana for
why go
why for go me we ma I get 3 case no amacha go pay one let Ghana 6
no bro
no you them out there
let's be serious I don't know
because I not go buy this thing for my kiddie.
So what I say but we for so be engoto
oh yeah o feel so to abontin o na abontin ayo no
but you can't say oba ti wo first TikTok videos now we must share no we you can't stop the kid to I mean not to do that
me organ meto ma me ba benya ne sa one no
the be na beto
lam one bi no
no we are not
any water person
nti are na yem educate the boys for the WhatsApp group almost say omonto enu bi mum
don't mama to that day me na me say go so
any chom say
TNT omo no
why are we here listen
no one can that be touch no chom na me pen say teacher something na for so
see we are not here to debate
no
listen
when the
we are not debating
let me come we are not here to debate we are here to educate the boys for the WhatsApp group inside see I don't know enye mume yenjai eno ano no oto na oto wo dia I think you be crowd the studio e fa pa ya to ye ko baby the camera guy this camera guy is really he's really interested in this shit say and we can say me trust story can say no pa dia you know good and pa o try one edit
sure
you see how the thing you see what they really happen be say you who say to say yen tia can happen the Kumasi boys will come for us sana you say omuyo
sure
so imagine say you find say okay then see you physical what will happen and no dey go to see school
that go beat you.
You see that thing?
Yeah, them go beat you.
Ndini yen jai sa de eno no. If you put a stop to this, en ko na nimdi o. What I say, yesu kro ye ona umi a, ena ye den, ni jai. Uyi wani say enya ebe den, ebe ye kese.
Oh, na ko amati so bube, me ti da.
We enya be we friend say, you are talking fat, bro. O me japa, yes I come say we di atem o comment section no. What is happening?
Yeah, them for insult humanness.
Sir,
obi ani je de okotun obi ani je so ayde ona ani je na ona ani je no
what you them
senior
onya ja to no them
o je ho ebe bon abetena mu a yeah so I mean that is really the happen like they arrest the here I think they have issued a statement and
the arrest no the here bro
the arrest no the here
no the here they for left for them you know the here they for left for them
okay hey
ni acha uri afanya nyole
boy ni wajimi na catch Ghana police said the arrest no dey here they are watching you
the arrest no dey here you want for left for them you know dey here
obi what are you saying
me man you know this thing they should arrest them but in arresting they should make you know I watched a video this morning and Shatawale was saying something say they should find a place. They should give them a place. Say, okay, this place is where you can go and do those things.
One with two bina, I think they put some rubber bullets now. Do you know how fun that thing is? Or more place.
Yes.
Why don't you go there and pay and do that one? Into toy gun, into yembe build a stadium.
I'm saying say they should just okay. You will go
get a place for them. They
shouldn't build a place. They should just give them direction.
Yes, man, you know Nipom.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
And I think everything will be fine.
And in that.
Yes, I think if they give them a place, everything will be fine. But if they don't and they still continue, Charlie them for arrest them.
Yeah. So I didn't hear you. Your last words.
Bassy man lives.
Which one? See, the arrest no dey here.
You know they here.
In last
word
word
they
say
the arrest no dey here. Them for left for them. Them for left them. If you find way them different.
Nyandos be Mr. Bonto. I get in location. I get in WhatsApp number. Everything with more henna.
As I had to go India that too.
You go India.
Yeah.
That is what we have for you niggas. And I didn't sign on quantity. You still will come then tap for here if there is any update on this issue. Everything. I think what Satawale is saying is who's a video new trend. Yeah, we will come here then can talk about it. Unjani or Kano. We should build a place just for a toy gun. We have place for a two nice gun. I'm costume near the adina. I don't know if
as
Accra Kumasi. Then get places like open shooting now. You go go there then do. Let's be serious. Young cannot cray. Adiwi and yet. Me know him say new, but boys, my brother do something. Oh, we be fine. To be a lie, you know. South America. It's really causing harm to the people. Noise pollution, as you say, you get put a stop to this. My name is Prof K, and
I'm Obi, that's the developer.
Mr. Bonto, the web boy is okay.
Your handles.
Just search Mr. Bonto. Yeah, will come out.
Dr. Eric on Snapchat, Eric here on Twitter.
The ladies man. Alright, Prof K, you go search me for everywhere. Prof K or Prof K Films Production. Yes, so let's try give this video 100 likes.
Sure.
Yeah,
100 be very simple. And say something for the comments under. So if you have something to tell the niggas or the Ghana police or we, put down for the comment section and try to just subscribe to this beautiful family. And as always, you go talk more, Charlie. We are out.